Welcome back to the channel. Today we are going on a fascinating journey into the world of mudras and chakras. These ancient yogic tools not only influence the body but can elevate your spiritual and mental energy, tapping into the power of the five elements. Understanding this deep connection can bring balance to your physical and subtle bodies and even accelerate your spiritual awakening. Let's dive in. In the practice of Kundalini Yoga, the concept of chakras is central to understanding how energy flows through the body. The word chakra means wheel in Sanskrit, referring to the spinning wheels of energy aligned along our spine. These seven major chakras are vibrating center of consciousness, each corresponding to different aspects of our physical, emotional, and spiritual well-being. But what's even more important is that each chakra is connected to one of the five basic elements of nature, known as the Pancha-Maha-Bhuta. Starting from the base of the spine and moving upwards, the first five chakras are associated with a distinct element of nature. Let's explore how they are connected. Muladhara chakra, root chakra, located at the base of the spine. This chakra governs survival, security, and our connection to the earth. It is associated with the earth element, representing grounding and stability. Swadhisthana chakra, sacral chakra, situated just below the navel. This chakra rules our emotions, creativity, and sensuality. It is connected to the water element, reflecting fluidity and emotional balance. Manipur chakra, solar plexus chakra, found at the navel. The Manipur is the powerhouse of our inner strength, personal will, and transformation. Its element is fire, igniting action, power, and self-confidence. Anahat chakra, heart chakra, located at the center of the chest. This chakra is the seat of love, compassion, and balance. It resonates with the air element, fostering lightness, openness, and expansion of the heart. Vishuddhi chakra, throat chakra, situated at the throat. The Vishuddhi chakra is responsible for communication, expression, and truth. It is linked to the space or ether element, symbolizing openness, clarity, and the capacity for self-expression. Now let's connect this to mudras. Mudras, or hand gestures, are powerful tools that allow us to manipulate the energy associated with each element and channel it through specific chakras. Our finger represents the five elements. The thumb represents the fire element. The index finger corresponds to air. The middle finger is aligned with space. The ring finger embodies the earth element, and the little finger symbolizes the water element. When we bring our fingers together in specific way through mudras, we can influence the energy flow of these elements. In yogic philosophy, it is believed that certain energy channels or nadis end in our fingers. By performing mudras, we control the flow of prana, the life force, and can either increase, decrease, or balance the corresponding elements within the body. Now, let's bring this all together. Since each chakra is connected to an element and each finger corresponds to an element, by practicing certain mudras, we can target specific chakras. Mudras allow us to harness and direct the pranic energy to purify, balance, and activate our chakras. For example, if you are working on grounding yourself, you would want to focus on balancing the Muladhara or root chakra. Since the Muladhara is associated with earth element, you can practice mudras that regulate the earth element, helping you feel more grounded and stable. Similarly, if you are looking to express yourself more freely, focusing on the Vishuddhi chakra linked to the space element and performing mudras that balance the element can help open up the flow of communication. By understanding this connection between chakras, elements, and mudras, we can consciously direct our energy to heal, balance, and harmonize both the body and mind. Mudras are not just gestures, they are energy locks, allowing us to control the movement of prana for deeper meditation, physical healing, and spiritual growth. Whether you are seeking physical healing, emotional balance, or spiritual awakening, practicing mudras while focusing on the corresponding chakras can amplify your inner journey. Over time, as you tune into these powerful energy centers, you will begin to experience shifts in your awareness, energy, and consciousness. So while we won't dive into specific mudras in this video, in upcoming videos, I will be breaking down each mudra and its connection to a particular chakra. Make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to get notified when those videos are live. Thank you for watching, and may your journey into the world of chakras and mudras bring you the balance and harmony you are seeking. Until next time, stay connected to your inner energy. Namaste.